welcome back to 405 Backyard Barbecue. My name's Tim, and what we're going to do today is we're going to take some spare ribs, cut them down into St. Louis style ribs, and cook them on the Green Mountain Grill. Okay, so this is just your normal, what you buy in the store, spare rib. It's got the top meat on it. It's got the regular ribs that you see. Like this would be the St. Louis cut right here, right through here. All this top part we'll get off, but we'll still cook it. So I'm gonna trim it up a little bit here. Get this flap off. This doesn't cook well, so I'm gonna take it off. And then I like to flip it over, and then you just kind of find the tops right here, the bones, and it goes straight across here like this. Let's see. Straight across. We'll cook this still. This is more for the pit master to eat. He gets to eat on that. So then you want to, this last little part right down here, which is real thin, that's not gonna cook the same as the others. So let me get it at an angle here, just a little bit. Cut that off. Kind of squares them up a little bit. Trim that off right there. This fat's okay. It's thin, real thin fat right there, so that'll pretty much disappear after it gets on the smoker for a little bit. But what we need to do is take off this membrane back here. I usually use a butter knife to do this. Let's see if I can get it with this knife without cutting my hand off.
If you did that, that would be insane in the membrane.
Yes, it would. So what you have to do, so here we go. If I can get underneath.
There we go.
Gotta get up underneath it. And you grab it with a paper towel, makes it easier. Man. So then take it and pull it all the way back. And if you don't get every little bit, it's not gonna be that bad. I always try to get as much as I can. All right, so we got that off. They're squared up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some yellow mustard on here. Just a light coat as a binder. I don't always use it, but today we're going to.
Do something that scares you every day. Said do something that scares you every day.
So we're gonna put that on, and then I like to put just my AP seasoning that I make here. It's just salt, pepper, garlic. And throw that on the bottom as a base coat. You don't want to go very heavy with it. Then after you get the salt, pepper, garlic on there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with this Cosmos Q Dirty Bird, which you can use this on chicken, pork, beef. This stuff is really good. So if you get a chance to, you need to check out Cosmos Q. He's got really good rubs. And you can go kind of liberal with that. It's got great color. It's gonna make these things pop. Then just pat that in. Flip them over, and we'll do the same thing on this side. It's been sitting in for 10-15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get them on the smoker. And when you get them on here, kind of straighten them up a little bit. That's the way they're gonna cook. So, gonna let these sit in here for a little bit. I'm gonna put the other pieces up on the top rack, but I'm not gonna show you that. All right. So we've had these on for about 2.5 hours. It's time to start spritzing. We'll spritz with the mixture of half apple cider vinegar and half apple juice. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap the ribs, and I'm going to wrap it in 2 different ones. I'm going to wrap one in the peach habanero, just put that on there and put it in there. The other one I'm going to do an apple chipotle, just because I want to try the 2 different ones. These are also Cosmo's Q recipe stuff. So what I'll do is just going to put some of the, I also cut this a little bit with some apple juice just to make it a little bit, give it a little bit more oomph. I'm gonna pour a little bit on the back side. Then you did 2-ply. 2-ply aluminum foil. Right back out on the smoker like this until for about another hour or so. Alright, so I'm just going to put these back on. We'll just throw them back on here. Keep them going for about another hour. And we'll come out and check them. Alright, so here we go. They're off, all done. I think they got a pretty good color. You can see they got a real good bend to them. They're probably a little fall off the bone a little bit, so I'm just gonna cut them and we'll give them a taste.
Oh my goodness.
This one. Looks pretty good. Guess I'll give it a try. Real good, clean bite. Pretty good.
I'm just gonna grab this little piece right there.
Ryan?
Yeah, of course. Let me snag this. Baby does got back.
So as you see, it's got a clean bite through. And that's basically how you do this. Cook. Just another way to do ribs. Another way that I do ribs. I do them a bunch of different ways. I'll have other videos on different recipes or different ways of cooking it, but this is more, it doesn't have such a glaze on the top, but they're pretty good. So if you like this video, like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and hopefully I can get more video content out to you soon.